Alright, here is a quick video on getting this Excel file that has our data for this project up in a way that we can get it into Desmos. So here's the link, and it's Dale versus IMR Excel. And if you have a spreadsheet on your computer, most likely if you click on it, you'll get this box that says Save File or Open with that spreadsheet. So mine's LibreOffice Calc, not Microsoft Excel. But all of you can download Microsoft Excel and put it on your machine, given you are a Lindsay student. And you wouldn't be looking at this if you weren't. If you need some help with that, you can shoot me an email and we can try to make that happen. And I suggest you go ahead and get that spreadsheet, because they're just nice to have on your computer. We'll look at what happens if you don't have one on your computer right now. So you know, here it says open with that. I say okay. It takes a minute. It starts up that spreadsheet, and here it is. Now notice it comes up and it says this document is in read-only mode, but there it says edit document. I can do that. Now it's not saved anywhere, but I can edit it and so forth. If I want to save it, you know, I just, which you probably should do, file and go do a save and save it to some location. But there it is, ready to work on. And so if you have a spreadsheet, it'll probably be about that simple. Now if you don't have a spreadsheet on your computer, well, you do have Google Sheets available, and so the other thing you can do is, again, well, you click on this. In this case, you do want to save the file for sure, and you say okay. Now in my case, I know that saves it to my downloads folder. In your case, it may ask you where you want to save it. You know, it all depends on your computer and operating system and preferences and all that. But so it saved it somewhere for you. So for instance, here's my downloads folder, and there it is. Actually, I guess I've saved it before to there. But there's my downloads folder. So now, if you go to your email or Google in general, you've got these Google apps up here, and this is where you can find Sheets. You click here. Now there's my Google Sheets. If it isn't there, usually you can go down and there's more and so forth. You find Google Sheets. I click it. It opens up, and it shows all these spreadsheets owned by me. None of those are what I want, but I click blank. You know, so there's a blank spreadsheet. It takes a little bit for it to open everything up and get ready. So see, it says working. Okay, now it's starting to look like I should be able to import my file. So I've saved this file to my computer. So I go to File and Import and Upload, because it's on my computer. And then either drag a file here or select from your device. If I click that, it'll give me a a file chooser. But you know, here it's sitting right there, and so I can grab it, drag it over, and come back to this. Now you can try these different things. I first tried Replace Sheet. It didn't seem to work for me, so I did Create and said import data. Took a minute, and it says successful, open now. So I said sure, open it now, and notice it opened a new tab, or it might open a new window for you, but there it is, and there's the spreadsheet, and it is ready to go. And the nice thing is, at least within the Google Sheets, is now okay, so there it is, and I close it, because I don't need to use anything. Now this still has a dialog. I'll just close that, and I'll close this all up. Now if I go here to Google Sheets again, when it comes up under the Owned by Me, there it is. And so I can click on it, and I have it. So it's that easy to find it again. So there are the data. There are a lot of data in this thing. 180 or 90, 191 different countries. And so this is a big data set, and we'll do more with it, but I just wanted to make sure we had a video on how to get this file open and to somewhere where you can copy and paste from it. So that's all we have for that one. We'll call that one good.